everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. I'm going to use this Happy Camper sticker book that I got from Michael's. It's one of those dollar packages. And then I'm also going to use this kind of bougie print glittery washi. I think it's kind of cute. And we are planning the week of August 13th through 19th. So we are in week 33, so wow. I think I'm just gonna leave that open and try to be careful. Okay, so I use this planner for my YouTube channel, so I just put a few things in here, and it doesn't really matter, in my opinion, how, I don't know, how decorated it is. So I have some kits that I love to use, but I also sometimes like to go a little different and use stuff that I already have, and I have been doing that more and more recently, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's helping me use up some of my stash that I've had forever, and I love it. That's why I buy it. But when I use kits, you know, it doesn't really allow me to use up all of my other stuff, and kits can be really expensive. And not that I mind spending the money on things that I use and that I like, and these bring me joy, so I think that's a wise thing to spend your money on, things that make you happy. But on the other angle is that these also make me happy, so I'm going to try to spend a little less and use a little more of what I already have. So I thought these were really cute, and there's one that has a, yes, this guy. This little canoe is what set me to know that this is the one that I wanted to use for sure this week. So I think this is adorable. It has the little bear and the fox and the raccoon, and then there's a little worm up there, and they're just fishing. So I'm just going to find a spot that I think that it fits best and put that down as my big sticker. And then I'm just going to fill it in with other things that I like. So I might just use stuff from the same page, just because. There's a little owl that is adorable. And I even like this little worm. Isn't he cute? And turtle for sure. And I think I'll do a tree. I am not a camper, but I do appreciate the outdoors. I just don't like bugs, and I don't like sleeping where there's bugs, and I don't like not having a restroom handy. I'll put that guy there, I think, and then I'm going to put now maybe cabin camping would be all right. Hopefully that looks like he's staying in front of the fire and not that it's burning him. Or maybe I should switch them so the fire is over here and he is over here, like that. Let's see here. I think I'll use this raccoon down here. Look at the little pink shoes. That's so cute. And I'll do a bird tree. And I think I'll do this bear too. And I think I'll just throw a flower or two around. These are really cute. Oh, and a bumblebee. And I think that's all right. So now I'll just fill it in with some things that I would like to do. So I know comments are a big one for me. I like to try to do those almost daily if I can, but I'm pretty good at keeping up with them, but I like to put it on there. And I usually don't do any comments over the weekend, so I'm not going to put it there. And on the weekend I am going to put, and it doesn't seem like these stickers want to stick to the glitter, so I'm moving it over just a little. I'm going to put Christmas knit list, and that just means that I want to make a list of who I want to knit for and what kinds of things I would like to knit. I'd also like to do a one sheet wonder. I haven't done one for a little minute, so I'd like to do that. I'm still working on those coffee recipes. And I haven't done a question and answer yet. Still need to. I have been doing better on my knitting videos, and I think I'm doing all right with getting some stuff out that you guys might like to see. But if there's some other stuff that you would like to see, let me know. I do try to do my best. A lot of it's based on what I'm working on right now. So right now I'm really into my knitting, but I'm having fun, and hopefully that shows, because that's what I like to show you guys. Crafting is fun. And then I also have been doing some card making and getting my kids ready for college and all that good stuff. So there we go. That is this coming week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.